Hello sellers! Today we are putting your home to the test to see if it is ready to hit the market and fetch top dollars. Let us dive into our pre-market quiz and find out. First of all, curb appeal. Does your home make a great impression? Fresh landscaping, a well-maintained lawn and freshly painted trim can make all the difference in attracting the buyers. Next, let us talk about the 3 Ds: decluttering, depersonalizing and deep cleaning. These steps are essential for showcasing your home space and potential. It is time to clean those baseboards and put away those family photos. Now, on to the updates. Have you refreshed outdated features like old carpeting or worn out countertops? A fresh coat of paint and some grout cleaning can work wonders in making your home feel modern and inviting. Don't forget the smell test. Lingering odors from pets or cooking can turn off few buyers. A clean, fresh smelling home is key to making a positive impression. And of course, addressing minor repairs is crucial. Fixing that leaky faucet or running toilet can signal to buyers that your home has been well maintained. Lastly, have you compared your home to similar properties in the area? Understanding the competition can help you to price your home competitively and attract the right buyers. So, how did your home fare on the quiz? Whether you are ready to hit the market or need to make few tweaks, my team and I am here to help you. Reach out to us for a comprehensive evaluation of your home, and we are here to help you to sell your home for top dollar. Our goal is to ensure you have a smooth and successful home selling experience. We will be your messenger for you and the market. We have sold the home in all the markets. We will get you the best price within a short amount of time with our best marketing techniques. So, let us work together to navigate the market and achieve your selling goals. Contact us today. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, a real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.